India times Peko. Yeah. Tree was angry or something. Yagara's already back at Higashi, I forgot to tell you.
Yeah, I saw.
Oh, okay. Oh yeah, that's right, you're in the same messenger.
I'm on Messenger.
So today is Saturday. Bondance is canceled tonight.
Yeah, good call, yeah.
Yeah, that was a good call. Big Island is already suffering like lots of rain and heavy winds. Maui is getting it now too. And then we're feeling the really early part of it with lots of gusty winds. Actually the winds kind of picked up a little bit more constant now. Maybe it just depends on where we are. But then the rain was kind of on and off, but it was really not too bad. Yeah. Now it's like just raining, but not heavy rain. It's still gusty. But we're not supposed to hit. We're gonna get the main part of it on Sunday, right? So one more day tomorrow. I just wanted to post a video of what it looked like right now. And the carrot. But I gotta take the tarp off first. I have to pick up the essentials: bread, soda, cat food. I wonder if the parking lot's going to be kind of full. Okay, I'll go park on this side. Is that okay?
Yeah.
What are y'all waiting for? His turn. What? Okay, I'm on turn. Let's get our stuff and then we head out of here.
It's not raining now.
It's not raining now. Oh, it's just drizzling. Okay, I just wanted to show you guys a little bit of what it looks like right now on Oahu in Honolulu. It's not that bad, but it is gusty and windy, and so we got to take our cat tent, our tarps down and stuff. So I have one more tarp to take down. I didn't want to because it's gonna leak into the tool shed, but okay. Well, we got to do some shopping real quick, and then I might show you guys a little bit more, but this is mainly what I wanted to show you. Tonight gonna be worse. I can do another video later. All right, thanks. it'll stop raining, or at least lighten up. Please don't walk this way. Walking the sidewalk, walking the sidewalk, walking the sidewalk. Doesn't want to walk on the sidewalk. I mean, in the crosswalk. I was saying sidewalk, like crosswalk. Alright, there's our space. Park this way. Okay, we actually found out that is the evac bus, EVAC. So that bus picks up people who are going to the evacuation areas. But I have no idea how you get that bus, or if you have to make an appointment to get it. You know, like you call and say, I need an evacuation. I have no idea. I mean, unless you want to point at things.
No, I don't. That's good. I don't see anything worthy.
Ooh, look at this wind. That's good. It'll stay for a little while. Yeah, if it if I turn, maybe it'll, but it's okay. Last time she put on low and she had to work. Yeah, but she's lucky this time. Oh, that tree's really you wonder if you hope the branches don't snap off when you're like.
I'm sure a lot of branches are tweaking. Not here, but
Yeah.
I got it. See, the library is closed.
What? Were there any like areas, businesses that closed? Like,
Yeah.
I know the schools are closed, but it's Saturday, so it doesn't matter.
Yeah. Over there, Wyola is closed.
Wyola is closed.
Because normally they're open.
Right.
They have a notice. Wyola is closed. Who's gonna, watch Sheepies when there's a storm coming?
Some people.
I don't know, that's not a necessity.
Well, it's actually kind of mellowing out. Okay.
This side is, See, it's
Towards
weird.
Waikiki, it looks.
Like when we're coming back, it was raining kind of hard, and over here, look, nothing.
Yeah. So it depends on where you're at. because there's like wind tunnels between buildings too. Yeah. Okay, sorry, just wanted to show you guys today what's going on right now on Oahu. See you later, aloha, bye. Thanks, honey. Bye.
Catch the wave, let the ocean flow. Under the golden sun where the palm trees grow. PhotoLuke's got the magic, bringing the scene, Hawaii vibes, living the dream, you know what I mean. Snap a shot, feel the breeze in your hair. Surfboards glide in a rhythm so rare. From the shores of Waikiki to